FrameSynth AI is a brand new software that's just been released. And today, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're an experienced digital marketer or just starting out, this tool is something you'll want to pay attention to. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether it's worth your time, and I'll share how you can try it for free from the first link below. Stick around, because there's a game-changing feature at the end you definitely don't want to miss. FrameSynth AI is designed to help marketers, content creators, and businesses streamline their creative processes by automating visual content generation. The big question here is, does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into it. First off, FrameSynth AI stands out because it leverages cutting-edge technology to quickly generate high-quality visuals, whether you're creating social media content, ads, or presentations. The system uses machine learning to understand your specific design needs and then creates professional-grade visuals with just a few clicks. What really sets it apart is the ease of use. Unlike other complex tools that require you to have graphic design knowledge, FrameSynth simplifies the process. You don't need to be a design expert to create stunning images. Simply input a brief description of what you're looking for, and the software does the rest. If you're just starting in content creation, this is a game changer. Another major feature is the customizability. While the software generates visuals automatically, it also allows for a high degree of customization. You can tweak the generated designs to align with your specific brand or creative direction. This level of flexibility is often missing in other AI-based design tools, which is a huge plus. Next, let's talk about speed. If you're a digital marketer, you know that time is everything. FrameSynth AI drastically reduces the time it takes to create visual content. What would have taken hours to design manually can now be done in minutes. This is perfect for busy professionals who need to churn out content quickly without sacrificing quality. FrameSynth AI also supports collaboration. This feature is great if you're working with a team or clients. You can share your designs directly with others, gather feedback, and make adjustments in real time. It's a major plus for anyone managing multiple projects or working in a team environment. For those concerned about integration, FrameSynth AI doesn't disappoint. It seamlessly integrates with several popular platforms, including social media tools and content management systems. This makes it easy to take your newly created content and publish it directly where it needs to go without extra steps or headaches. But here's the thing. FrameSynth AI isn't perfect. While it's highly efficient, there can be a learning curve for beginners. Some of the more advanced features may take a bit of time to get used to, but once you get the hang of it, the process becomes very intuitive. And here's the kicker. If you're on the fence about it, you can try FrameSynth AI for free through the link in the description below. That's right, get a feel for the software without any commitment. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or content creator, you can explore its full potential risk-free. After trying thousands of AI tools myself, I've narrowed down a list of my top recommendations in the description below, including FrameSynth. These are the tools that truly make a difference, and I've used them to grow my own digital marketing efforts. You can check them out and see for yourself how they can boost your productivity. So, to wrap it up, FrameSynth AI is a powerful and flexible tool that's definitely worth checking out. With its ease of use, customization options, and speed, it's a must-have for anyone serious about creating professional-grade content quickly and efficiently. Don't forget to try it for free using the link below. And if you're looking for other AI software that can help you grow your business, I've got a curated list just for you. Thanks for watching.